What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Early morning, we just got gas. We are about to head out to Vallejo to go pick up a carbon fiber hood for the Civic. This is an OE style hood. I've always wanted a carbon fiber hood for the Civic because I think it will complete that OEM plus spoon look. So super excited. Let's go ahead and go pick up that hood, and I'll see you guys when I'm back home. Alright, there you have it guys. These are the carbon bits that I picked up for the Civic. As you can see, we got the OEM style carbon fiber hood made by BIS. We got the passenger GDM cooling plate for the 2012 and 2013 Civic Coupes, and of course the 2012 Civic sedans. And we also got a passenger JDM fuse box cover. The overall condition of all the parts is pretty good. As you can see, the hood overall is in pretty good condition. It does have a nick right here that goes through to the weave. We do have some slight fading on this top portion of the hood, but that I'm pretty sure that could buff out, so I'm not too worried about that. But overall, the hood is still in very good condition, so I'm pretty happy. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get the hood test fitted on the car, and we'll work on refinishing the hood. Alright guys, so we got all the bolts buttoned up, the carbon fiber is on the car. Let's put her down and see how she looks. Ooh. Here it is guys. We got a slight gap on both ends, but ooh, yeah. Looks good. Alright, as you guys saw, the hood was sitting a bit low, so I had to go through and adjust the bump stops a little bit higher just to get the hood to sit up a little bit more. Also, I think I could adjust the hood a little bit, just a tad to the left, because this gap is a lot larger towards the bottom here than the top. But on this side, it does fit pretty good. Even gap all the way across. This side's pretty good. I think I'm just gonna shift the hood just a little bit to the left just to get an even gap on both sides. But it's very minimal, just more or less just trying to tweak it and make it fit a lot better. And as you guys saw, the carbon fiber hood is not perfect. It does have some fade on the top here all the way across. Got a little nice patch right here and right here. See if the camera can pick that up. But that's pretty much it. This bottom portion of the hood is pretty good. I did start doing a little test area right here by hand, and I was able to buff it out, so this should be a very easy restore. I do have a polisher, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get this hood washed, get it cleaned up, and get the hood buffed to bring back the shine on the carbon fiber. Let me go and throw you guys on a time lapse, get this hood buffed out, and bring back the shine on this carbon fiber hood. guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in into this video. Hope you guys like the carbon fiber hood because I love it. It does change the look of the car a whole lot more, and I think I'm gonna stick with this carbon fiber hood for a while. I was debating about getting the vintage style one, but I think this one looks just as good. If you guys enjoyed the video and like how the carbon fiber hood looks on the Civic, give this a thumbs up. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel. You do not want to miss out on any future uploads that I have in store. And I do have a few more parts that I have yet to put on the Civic, so stay tuned for that. But until then, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And remember to always stay lurking. Peace.